Right, go on then. The Champions League quarterfinals were bonkers, and I have got a lot to say. PSG 2, Liverpool 0. Lads, a few months ago, I stuck up for Arne Slot. When Liverpool were losing 9 out of 12 as reigning champions, I was all like, relax. Didn't Man City also lose 9 out of 12 as reigning champions? And I don't remember anyone accusing their ball coach of having replaced his brain with squash sausage rolls. But right now, this has gone too far. We are at a point now in the season where Liverpool are being slaughtered in back-to-back away days, as if they're Grimsby Town. Losing 4-0 to Man City was horrific, especially when Van Dijk is coming out after the match and accusing his own teammates of giving up. But to now rock up to PSG and get utterly trounced there as well. PSG are a good team, okay, and reigning European champions. But nobody should ever be dominating 74% possession of the ball against a Liverpool team, not unless they got 9 men on the pitch. To put it in context, PSG hogged the ball just 2% less than Chelsea did in their FA Cup win against Port Vale. Port Vale! By the way, a Port Vale fan got mad at me after my FA Cup reaction video, so I better say something nice about them.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Quarter flags, it tastes nice. But look, Liverpool are in a total mess, and no. Okay, this result is going to be buried in the archives. Nobody in the future is ever going to come across an ancient 2-0 Liverpool loss in Paris and the juice that the players must have stumbled about the pitch like drunken cows. But we all know the truth. Anyone with eyes who watched what a complete mismatch this was, yeah, it was 2-0 on paper, but only because the Reds went 5 at the back. Lads, Liverpool are a wonderful, terrific football club who have provided so many incredible European nights. So to see these players instructed to line up with such cowardice to be given a rematch against a team who cruelly knocked you out of this competition on your own patch on penalties a year ago. Liverpool should have been salivating at this fixture as if they were starving pandas. But no, instead it's 5 at the back, with Joe Gomez waddling into the side for a match at PSG. I mean, to be fair, I know Man United once won in Paris by putting Axel Tonzebi in the team, but still, this is still ridiculous. It's bananas to me how long